Hey there, Tesla enthusiasts! Today we're taking a closer look at the 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland Hubcaps. These sleek and stylish hubcaps are designed to enhance the look of your Tesla Model 3 while also providing added protection for your wheels. Made from high-quality materials, the Highland Hubcaps are built to last and are resistant to wear and tear. Installation is quick and easy with no tools required. Simply snap them into place and you're good to go. Not only do these hubcaps add a touch of sophistication to your Tesla Model 3, but they also help to improve aerodynamics, resulting in a smoother and more efficient ride. Say goodbye to boring stock hubcaps and elevate the appearance of your Tesla with the 2024 Highland Hubcaps. So if you're looking to give your Tesla Model 3 a fresh new look, be sure to check out the 2024 Plus Highland Hubcaps. For more information and to purchase these hubcaps, click the link below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Tesla reviews and updates.